Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a fish guy here. It's been a very long time since I've been on YouTube. This is a very festive month in India, so happy Diwali, everyone. Every one of you wants to hear an update from my pond, so this is how it looks, the tarpaulin one. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm maintaining my pond. So basically, the pond grows green, so it's a little hard to maintain. So I'm going to show you how to keep it clean. So these are the fish that we caught from a river. These are basically cichlid fish, maybe called tilapia. They're also given fry. This is as of now maintained by Rohan. So yep, my cleaning process starts. So I basically remove the dirt with the help of a tray and refill the water. So meanwhile, these are my freshwater shark fish. I take a look at them while the pond is filling up. Basically, these sharks attract ick disease, so I keep an eye on them every now and then. So this is how my pond looks after 3 weeks. It's pretty clean. That's because I made my own filter. I didn't use a lot of my brain to do that, but it's a simple approach. All you need is a can. I used a dispenser can in my case. For filtration purposes, all you need is a cloth and two pieces of sponge. The working principle is very simple. All it does is sucks in water from one end and drops the water from the mouth of the dispenser. So the water just flows out of the dispenser. While flowing out, all the dirt is absorbed by the cloth or sponge. So this is a basic mechanism, and this approach works out a lot. Here's how much dirt has been collected by the jar of dirt. So now watch me carefully as I'm cleaning all my things. So looks like I'm a very good washer. This is how clean I made it. So all I gotta do is cover the sponge with the cloth and shove it into the hole which is in the dispenser. Likewise, I placed another sponge inside the cloth. It's just a dummy sponge. So basically this arrangement spoils the look of your pond. You may have better ideas you can follow for your own ponds. In case of any suggestions, you can please leave a comment or contact me through Facebook or Instagram. Uh, I also have a surprise for you guys. I got a crab. Watch it in the next video. There are so many videos stacked up on my PC, I'm just not finding time to edit them. So basically, I've gone fishing with my friends a couple of times. I've been going to a lot of places to pick stones. I've been wanting to make such videos. I'm not just finding time, so stay tuned. When I get time, I'll fix them up, I'll edit, post it on YouTube. So please make sure you keep following the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm a fish guy forever. Fish!